What's up, guys? Today we're going to be learning one of the all-time classics with the epic sing-along for the age. Grab a D chord, and let's start right away with the first of 4 guitar parts, the verse.
Hey Jude, don't make it bad.
So the strumming pattern, like most Beatles songs, is really easy to master. It's a downstroke on every beat, and an upstroke as you change the chord. So that's going to be down, 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 up. So count 1, 2, 3, 4, and. This is pretty much the pattern throughout the whole song. Just relax your strumming hand and go with the flow. Here's a trick to remember this section. I call it Dad, G Dad. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 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 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's jump into where it changes up in the chorus.
And anytime you feel the pain, hey Jude, refrain.
The chorus where the drums come in has lots of beautiful 7th chords. If you get stuck, I made a lesson playlist for complete beginners to go from 0 to Guitar Hero in no time at all. All these chords are simple. Remember that with bar chords like B minor, you can play it slightly different and have it sound almost the exact same as if you're playing a full bar chord. So you're going to play through this twice before the interlude. Now, this section is a little confusing because you're going to play some chords for 2 beats and some for 4. Pay attention to the chord changes as I play them on the screen, and notice that G, B minor, E minor, and G are only played for 2 beats. Here's the full section all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 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 1, 2, 3, 4, and. Now it seems like a lot of chords to play, but don't get discouraged. Actually, if you listen closely, at 2 minutes and 57 seconds, you can hear John Lennon yelling, "Wrong chord!" Of course, that won't happen to you, my friend, if you're following along with the bonus package for this song. Next up is the short interlude after the choruses. After. The interlude's going to be D, D7, and A7. It's really easy, so we'll go through it quickly. All you're going to do is start on your D, play that twice, move to D7, 2 more times, move to A7 for 2 more times. That's it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. All there is to it. I love this interlude because it's a preview of the big finish that gets everyone on their feet. Speaking of the big finish, here we go. The chords of the outro are D, C, G, and D. Here's where you can change your strumming pattern to give the full rock impact. So all together, that's like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a. Now you can clap, because you now know how to play one of the greatest songs ever recorded. If you enjoyed learning this Beatles song, then why not play along with me to Imagine by John Lennon, or take the lesson. What's your favorite Beatles song? Let me know in the comments. And remember to ring that bell to get a notification as soon as our next lesson's up.